Here. Can someone read this big question to me? Who have I not called on today? Jackson, go for it.
How a push on a number line similar to the push of
So, what were our big goal today? Our big goal that we're going to try to accomplish, this question we're going to try to answer by the end of this lesson today, is how are parts on a number line similar to parts on a fraction? That's what we're going to talk about today. And then this is our I can statement. Can someone read that one to me? Lucas?
I can represent adding fractions using.
Okay, so that's something that by the end of this you're going to be able to say, I can do that. I can represent adding fractions using a number line. Okay? Okay. So, I know you're ready to use the paper clips. So go ahead and get them out. Okay? Go ahead and get the paper clips out. Okay. I'm going to give you something. I'm going to give you a fraction, okay? And you're going to use your paper clips to kind of represent that fraction. And right now it might be a little difficult and you're like, I don't really know what that means. We're going to work on it together, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to take these paper clips and break them into fourths. Fourths. So here. Ooh, Ashlyn's on it. What did you say, Ashlyn? Connect them together, make 4 paper clips. Try it.
I'd love to know. I would like to know with paper clips. Make a number line.
Don't steal my thunder, Will. Don't steal him. Don't steal my thunder. Don't steal my thunder, dude.
Just get up there and catch them.
Okay. So some of you have them linked together, some of you have them laid out, which is perfectly fine. Either way works.
I have four.
You have fourths? Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to open your math notebook. Can you slide them out? Open your math notebook and turn to a clean page. And what I want you to do is lay this on a page and mark the end of it and the beginning. Mark the end and the beginning.
Wait, can we do it with the paper clip?
Yeah.
I want you, actually, Connolly, I want you to do it with a pencil so that when you take the paper clips away, you can still see it. Okay? So mark the end. Kind of like that.
Like that?
Okay. And then what I want you to do is I want you to kind of mark where each paper clip connects. Mark where each paper clip connects. So lay them out, marking where each paper clip connects. Get it, Jackson? Yep. Marking where each paper clip connects. You got it, Miles? Yeah. I'll take your pencil. Did you mark where each one connects? Okay. Mark where each one connects. Okay. So I see that some of you have done that. So when I take this away, I should have some lines, right? Okay. And if I connect all these lines, Miss Dane's laughing at me. And if I connect all these, if I go like this. Oh my God. What do I have there? A number line. Wow. And if I were to take this paper clip and put it right here, it's like one paper clip, right? And if I were to take this and move it down, it's still the same size as one paper clip. Yep. Yep. So we made a number line with equal parts, okay? So I need someone to raise their hand and tell me what this line represents. Will?
1/4.
1/4. And what does the second line represent, Maddie?
2/4.
2/4. And let's see, the last one, Miles. What's the last line represent?
3/4.
3/4. Perfect. Okay. So when we're looking at this, so we just made a number line, right? And we divided it up. And then obviously we need to label this. What's this? 0. And what's this? 1. this one can also be written as what?
4/4.
4/4. Awesome. I wrote it in a different color and I'm sorry, but you can't really tell up there, so it's okay. Okay. So, when we're talking about this, what does this, I'm going to color it in, okay? What does this section represent? What's that one section?
Okay, alright, I want to take a pause.
Colored in line. What's a fraction that represents that one section?
Looking at fractions. Are we gonna use the numbers?
Miles, what's that one section represent?
Numbers. Okay, so are we gonna spell out our numbers?
1/4 of the number line, right? So this one section right here is only 1/4 of the number line. Okay? And in this section right here, how much is this one section that parts of all my fingers are on? Chloe?
2/4.
This whole thing is 2/4, yes.
Oh, but then that's 1/4.
Then this is 1/4, yes, correct. So I'm going to use a different color. What color should I use? Yellow or pink?
Yellow.
Yellow, I heard yellow. Yellow. So this right here, we could say Chloe told us is 1/4. Can we see that? Yeah, we can. Heck yes. And this is 1/4. And then we're gonna use orange. Is that okay? I think that's okay. And then this is how much? That one section I just colored in, how much is it?
3/4.
Oh, the whole thing's 3/4 up to that section, but that one section is 1/4. Red? Red. I want red. Nope, I heard red. I heard, oh, we might not have red, so we're using green. Yes.
So you're gonna draw the
Swampy green. We got it.
That's idiot.
Swampy green.
I like all
Okay.
green.
Okay, let's come back together. Come back together. Okay. And this one last section is 1/4. Perfect. So, let's say I'm going to take this right here, okay? I'm going to color a big old that dot is what? 3/4 on our number line, right? Does anybody know what an equation is? An equation. Garrett, do you know what an equation is? Yes, you're right. So Mr. Parks kind of touched on it yesterday. He talked about when you guys were playing this big game with the circles, right? You know, and he said 3/4. And 3 of you had to jump in, and what did you have written on your whiteboard?
1/4.
1/4, because you were 1/4 of the thing, of the fraction, right? So when we're writing that into an equation, how would I write that? If there were 3 people in this circle, and you all were represented as 1/4, how would I write that? Yes?
Me?
Yes.
Okay. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4.
Equals?
3/4.
Yes. So, if I wanted to write an equation for this, an equation, okay, I would say 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. And that's right there. So what we're doing, if we look at this number line, is we're starting at 0, and I said I want to get to 3/4. I'm going to add 1/4, then I'm going to add another 1/4, and I'm going to add another 1/4 to get 3/4. So we're using repeated addition to find this. We're using repeated addition to find that. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you another fraction.
Yes.
You're going to use your paper clips. You're going to put it on a number line. You're going to draw the number line with the paper clips, kind of like how we did it up here. Okay? And then what I want you to do is I want you to write the equation of how to get to it. Okay? Okay, are we ready? What? Ready to say it again? This, the equation. This is an equation.
With the paper clips. What do you mean?
So I'm going to give you a fraction, right? I said fourths here. And you put 4 together, and you put it into fourths, and you colored it in on there, right? So I'm going to say fifths. Okay? Fifths. Yep, go for it. So I just said fifths. So you're going to take your paper clips, you're going to make a fifth size number line, and you're going to put it on your paper, you're going to mark it up, If you're struggling, you're kind of confused, that's okay. Raise your hand.
That's what I've been waiting for.
Come around. I'll come around, okay?